Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Joey here with Turtle Labs, and on this episode we are swapping out a leaky Mishimoto radiator with a CSF unit. Make sure and watch to the end so you can see my thoughts on the Mishimoto versus the CSF unit. Anyway, let's get right into it. Oh, dude. If you didn't notice, we've performed a fan delete mod on this car. Now that the awful factory fan shroud has been removed, we can use one of our coolant reservoir brackets to mount the reservoir. Links to our fan delete blog and our reservoir bracket will be in the description below. A little spritz of some soapy water on the reservoir allows the reservoir to slip right into our bracket. So far, the CSF radiator construction seems to be superb, but the tolerances on the upper radiator bushings, at least for our 1993 model, seem to be a little loose. After the upper radiator clamps are fastened though, it seems pretty secure. I guess only time will tell. If you're performing a bleed on your coolant system, make sure and refer to your factory service manual for the proper procedure. I purchased the Mishimoto new and installed it around 8 years or about 45,000 miles ago. I've had one track day of about 20 laps at the Patriot course at VIR and a handful of autocross days on a skid pad with some donuts thrown in before it failed. I feel like this radiator should have lasted much longer than it did. Here you can see where the cracks developed and leaked is at the end of the cooling tubes and not at any of the welds or brazes. After having purchased a few CSF radiators and intercoolers for other projects, I was very happy with the fit and finish, so I decided to go that route on this car too, rather than purchasing another Mishimoto with the risk of being let down again. I hope this video may have been informative to some, and affiliate links to both of these radiators will be listed below. As always, thank you for watching.